Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to fix mic not working on Discord call. So let's begin. First you need to do is open the settings in Discord and then go to voice and video. Select the input device and choose microphone instead of default. And you need to make sure that the input volume is in max. Then click the let's check button and talk. After that, you need to click stop testing. If it still doesn't work, turn off automatically determine input sensitivity and move the slider all the way to the left. And then test your microphone again. If it still doesn't work, turn it on again and close Discord. Now, try to open start menu and search for sound settings. Then, open the settings and set input device to microphone. After that, head to Advanced Settings and choose Troubleshoot Input Devices. Then, select Microphone and Next. Then, fix any issues it finds and close it. Now, click on More Sound Settings. In Windows 10, open Sound Control Panel. Then, switch to Recording tab. Select Microphone and open Properties. And then, go to Levels and set the volume to 85 or higher. If Apply button still doesn't work, proceed to Advanced tab. Expand drop menu and select sample rate of your microphone. If Apply button still doesn't work, then you need to uncheck the exclusive mode. Now, open the Start menu and search for microphone privacy, then click it. Enable apps to access microphone. Scroll down and allow desktop apps to access microphone as well. Now, test your microphone on Discord again. If it still doesn't work, go to voice and video settings again and find the advanced option. Set noise suppression to none and try your microphone again. If it still doesn't work, try clicking crisp. And next, check if your mic isn't muted on the device itself. And that's how you fix mic not working on Discord call. And that's everything for this video. If it helped, please leave a like and subscribe.